Hola clase, soy señora Nigard y hoy es lunes, el 19 de octubre. Tenemos dos lecciones. We have two lessons again for Monday and Tuesday, so lunes y martes. So listen up, CASA B y distance learners. Para hoy lunes, you are going to begin lección dos. So we just took a big test. Wow, the scores were amazing. Overall, I think we had an average of 91 or 92% on the exam. That is amazing. Today we're going to cover metas de aprender, that's learning targets, AR verbs, that's new. There's going to be an ed puzzle for you to complete and also an AR hip hop song to listen to. Also, pronunciation practice, that is going to be in vhlcentral.com. It's good to just work on our pronunciation. We're going to have pretty soon some Flipgrid assignments where you're going to have to record yourself and turn that in. So we want to practice our pronunciation. So again, tarea for tomorrow is the complete the AR ed puzzle for tomorrow. And then the vhlcentral.com pronunciation activities, those will be due by Wednesday. So aquí están nuestras metas. These are our learning targets for lección dos en la clase. So it's all about school. First of all, you're going to learn how to talk about your classes and school life, discuss everyday activities that people do and like, ask and answer questions in Spanish, which we kind of started a little bit with that ser sentence moving activity that we did. That was interesting. Also, describe the location of people and things using the verb estar. So remember, ser and estar both mean to be. We're going to get into estar a little bit. Also, I can use and understand the chapter vocab and context, and I can describe the geography and culture of Spain, okay, which I love. And I actually lived in Spain for a half a year. And then my husband and I took 24 boys to Spain back in 2000, I think. And I was teaching at St. Thomas Academy, and it was really, really cool. They had a homestay and stuff. So anyway, let's move on. So here is an AR verb ed puzzle that you're going to watch. It says, please watch and complete this introductory ed puzzle for AR verbs. The link is attached to today's lesson. This is due tomorrow at 9:30 a.m. Also, there's a little song. It's a hip hop song. And in the song, they just say, oh, as, a, amos, an. But they don't add the vosotros form. So I want you to add in the ice. So you're going to listen to the song and sing along and then add ice. So instead of saying, oh, as, a, amos, an. Otra vez, I want you to say, oh, as, a, amos, ice, an. Otra vez. Okay, sorry, I don't mean to sing. It's really embarrassing. So you're going to listen to that and sing along. Also, you're going to complete these pronunciation activities at vhlcentral.com. You're going to need a device. A phone works great that has a microphone. So you're going to make sure that it's enabled, and it looks like it's due Wednesday, not tomorrow. But I suggest that you do them today because you have another day's worth of assignments. So these are the three activities that you're going to do: the Spanish vowels, práctica, and oraciones. And you're going to, like I said, a phone works great for this, or unless you have a computer that can record your voice, okay? If you have any tech issues with that, remember that I can help you after school, just not during school, because I'm teaching. But if you have a phone, there's a little spot where it just says hit record after you listen, and that's where we're going to just tap on the button, and you can review it. I think you can hear yourself too, which is kind of cool. Okay, so that was lunes. We're going to talk about martes, el 20 de octubre. We're going to look at vocabulario nuevo with some pronunciation practice. Practicar con los 7 días de la semana, 7 days of the week song, and then complete a couple more vhlcentral.com activities. The tarea is the contextos. So you had some different ones yesterday, and then there are 5 activities plus some vocab activities that are due tomorrow. So let's look at them. So the vocab, it says you've been assigned a vocab list on VHL Central. You're going to click on this baby little triangle, and when you go to it, and I want you to practice these 3 sections: la clase, that's all the stuff about in school; las materias, those are the subjects or the cursos or clases, names of classes; and then los días de la semana. Okay, so you're going to listen and practice each of those vocabulary words. And speaking of the 7 days of the week, here's a little kid song you can listen to. It's kind of cute. Here are the lyrics for it. It goes, Doña Semana tiene 7 días. Lunes. What? So just so you know, lunes is the first day of the week in the Spanish calendar, not Sunday. So on the American calendar, we start with Sunday. On the Spanish calendar, they start with Monday. Isn't that interesting? So there's a little song for you to sing along. It's pretty dorky, but kind of fun. And then again, you're going to practice these pronunciation activities. They are due 9:30 on Wednesday. So you have these five. You have en la clase, los días de la semana, and then there's a couple of tutorials that you need to also do as well. So, okay, those are that. And that's all there is for lunes y martes. So lots of stuff in VHL Central. And we will meet again. Hasta luego. Ciao.